Well, developing now, a federal judge halting President Trump's plan to buy out federal workers, at least for now.
A Massachusetts judge granted a limited temporary restraining order, and it comes hours before a midnight deadline for federal workers to accept the offer. DC News Now's Marielle Carbone joins us from OPM with the latest.
Federal labor unions have been urging workers not to accept this offer. They say that it is illegal and that there is no guarantee the federal government will comply with the resignation terms. That's why they've asked a federal judge to step in, and that judge now halting the program, at least temporarily. Across the country and here in D.C., protests have erupted over the last week as President Trump moves forward with efforts to shrink the federal government.
I'm taking a risk and being bold and trying to get more federal workers to take a risk to speak out, because if we don't, then we're all going to lose our jobs.
But one major effort now on pause after a judge temporarily halted the administration from implementing its deferred resignation program, pushed in part by Elon Musk. The program offered eligible employees a buyout, promising them pay and benefits through September if they resign. The deadline to accept was set for 11:59 Thursday night, but Democratic lawmakers and labor unions have criticized the validity and legality of the program.
Whether it is the folks who've been furloughed or the people who are taking potentially Trump's illegal buyout offer, which there is no funding for at all, to think twice.
In a statement, the American Federation of Government Employees applauded the judge's decision, writing, "We continue to believe this program violates the law, and we will continue to aggressively defend our members' rights."
We encourage federal workers in this city to accept the very generous offer.
White House Press Secretary Caroline Leavitt says 40,000 federal workers have already accepted the buyout.
If they don't want to show up to the office, if they want to rip the American people off, then they're welcome to take this buyout, and we'll find highly competent individuals who want to fill these roles.
And the judge did not speak about the legality of this program today. He did set the next court hearing for 2 p.m. on Monday and has ordered the government to extend the deadline for employees to accept this offer until at least after that court date. Reporting downtown, I'm Marielle Carbone, DC News Now.